You guys, we're very excited. My Lull mattress is here. Look at it. I can't believe an entire bed fits in this mattress. We went with the queen because we were needing an upgrade. We originally had a full, but we got a queen this time. But I'm really excited. I can't believe a full queen bed fits in this box. Look at it. It's so cute. Let's open this up. I'm so excited. So it's gonna start inflating apparently as soon as we open it up. Can you hear that? Mm-hmm. It's like inflating already. Comfy. It feels like cooling. It feels so nice. Put my makeup on.
Oh, nice.
Doesn't it feel so nice? This is so cool. My stomach's out. Alright, we're gonna let this mattress inflate for 24 hours and I will be back to share with you guys what it looks like tomorrow. So it's been a full 24 hours and my Lull mattress has completely expanded at this point and I'm so happy with it. You guys, it is so incredibly soft and comfortable and I can already feel it molding to my body. I have needed a new mattress for a while now. I've had mine for over 15 years, but unfortunately I live in a relatively small area where buying a mattress isn't super easy to do. We don't have any stores around us. I think the closest one is probably an hour away. Then we would have had to pay for shipping to get it to us. And Lull was really the most convenient way to buy a mattress. Everything was shipped to us very fast, very convenient in that box, which you guys saw. And shipping was free as well. So you don't have to worry about paying some crazy fees that I know a lot of places do charge for shipping large items like a mattress. Lull has you covered. They also do offer free returns and a 100-night guarantee. If you guys are interested in trying out Lull bed, I will have a link in the description box down below. It does get you $150 off of your mattress at Lull. I know you guys will love it as much as I do. I am so happy to finally be able to get a good night's sleep. It has been a long time. You guys know I'm here on my channel running around trying on clothes constantly, and honestly I've been pooped and I haven't been sleeping well. So I'm super happy I was able to collaborate with Lull for this video. Again, if you guys are interested in trying out Lull, I will have a link in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, amazing week, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.